this video, we'll show you how you can set up instalment payments for your event. Setting up instalments gives your community the flexibility to either pay in instalments or pay in full at the point of purchase. You can offer instalment payments for your event by setting up multiple products with staggered sales dates, or you can create a subscription for the payments. The event example we'll be showing is for a ball taking place at the end of April with tickets priced at £60. First, log in as an administrator. Head to Admin, Events and select Add Event from Template from the drop-down list in the Manage menu and complete the steps in the template wizard. Further information on how to set up an event from template can be found in the description below. Once you have created your event, you can then either set up the instalment product or add the subscription product. First, go to the Manage menu for the event and select Tickets and Products. Here you will see the full price ball ticket already created via your template. Then copy this product via the Manage menu and call the copied product Ball Deposit. Change the product type to Booking and set the price to £20. The sales dates can be from now until 1st of March. Then click on the Update Product button. This product will then allow guests to secure their place with an initial deposit. We'll then create the second instalment product by copying the Ball Deposit product and amending the name to Ball Second Instalment. The price will also be £20 and we'll change the sales dates to 1st of March until 1st of April. This is to ensure the second payment window is only available once the deposit window has closed. Then click on the Update Product button. And then we'll create the final payment product by copying the second instalment product, changing the name to Ball Final Payment and the type to Electronic Ticket, the price to £20 and the sales date 1st of April to mid-April when the sales close. If you want to collect any further information such as table names, you can add product questions. Please see the link in the description below for further information. In your shop or events and tickets page, only the deposit and full ticket price options should be visible now. The second option after you've created your event from template is to select Tickets and Products from the Manage menu and edit the product typed to Subscription. This will automatically adjust the pricing to £0. Then click the Update Product button. Then from the Manage menu, select Payment Schemes. Then select Add Payment Scheme from the Manage menu and add your payment scheme. For this example, this will be 3 payments of £20. Please ensure not to check the Auto Renew checkbox. When your customer selects this option from your shop or events and tickets page, they will be presented with this payment scheme during checkout. At each stage, you can use the bookings report to contact guests who have purchased the deposit and remind them when the next instalment is due. Go to Reports, Bookings, select your event from the Event drop-down once bookings have been made, and select Email Bookings from the Manage menu. For subscription products, reminders will be sent automatically. And that's it. You now know how to set up instalment payments for your event. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.